Hey everyone, welcome to Outdoors and Country Living. This is LeeAnn, and today I'm going to show you how to make super simple, sweet iced tea made with pure raw honey. You can use any kind of tea to make this sweet tea. We have a variety of teas here at our house, and I'm going to show you a few of those right here. So you can make iced tea with any kind of tea, whether it's an herbal tea that's caffeine free or whether it's black tea. We like peppermint tea, elderberry tea, hibiscus, this spiced black tea that's called Constant Comment, peach tea, chamomile tea, and your standard classic black tea. Today I'm going to be making a combination with black tea and the spiced black tea. We're going to sweeten it with pure raw honey. We are beekeepers and honey farmers, so we have a surplus of honey that's available to us. Our favorite way to make sweet tea is with our pure raw honey. And you're going to need a 1 gallon pitcher or 1 gallon container, whatever you choose to use. Let's get started with this simple iced tea. Prepare your tea bags. I'm just opening a few here out of the package and laying out the strings. For a 1 gallon pitcher, I like to use 4 of the large tea bags, the family size tea bags, and 3 regular size. I'm just doing this combination. This is one of our favorite blends. And just tie the tea bags together to make it easier to get them out. We're just going to be using hot water from the tap. We have our own private well water because we live out in the country. So our water is clean and uncontaminated. Use hot water of your choice. I'm just running the water to get it pretty warm. This is a nice way in the summertime not to heat up your kitchen because we're not even going to use the stove. So we're just going to add the hot tap water into the gallon pitcher to fill it up. You can see a gentle steam coming off the water here in a moment. Doesn't get much easier than this. Now we're simply going to add our tea bags that we've clustered together. You just want to get the tea bags wet completely so that they submerge into the water. Trying to do this one-handed, so I'm just going to gently push them down into the water. My hands are clean. You can also use a spoon. And then we're going to simply put the lid on and let this steep for a couple of hours. We like about a 2-hour steep time. You could certainly go less or go longer. That's totally up to you. I'm just going to leave it sit on the counter like this for about 2 hours. That's hard, isn't it? You can see here the tea is beginning to infuse into the water. So it's just going to sit here while I go about my day doing other things. You can see here it's darkened up quite a bit, but Just going to continue to let it sit here a little bit longer. So now that the tea has steeped about 2 hours, we're going to get the tea bags out. You can see how nice and dark it is, and it's clear, it's not cloudy. In my 28 years of making iced tea, this is the way I have always done it, and it's always produced a beautiful pitcher of iced tea. So here I'm just gently squeezing the tea bags. Don't squeeze too hard or they're going to pop, and you're going to have tea flakes in your tea. So gently squeeze. Now we're going to be adding that 1 cup of honey. And together, honey and tea are a symphony of health. Both honey and tea are rich in antioxidants, which helps strengthen our immune systems. This dynamic combination can aid in warding off illnesses and infections, keeping you healthy and vibrant. Honey doesn't just add sweetness to our tea, but also to our health. It shoots antioxidants into our bodies to combat infections and diseases. It's very pleasurable when honey is in our tea, and I would encourage you to experiment with different flavors of tea because it's a treat to your taste buds. Honey's advantages over sugar include a slightly lower glycemic index, meaning it doesn't affect your blood sugar levels as much as sugar does. It also contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, calcium, potassium, vitamin C, zinc, and flavonoids. You didn't know honey was so powerful, did you? No sugar in our sweet tea here at our place. Only our pure raw honey that our honeybees produce for us. So we compost our tea bags here. They will eventually make their way out to our gardens, until then to the soil. Now that our tea is complete, we're going to put the lid on. There, it's all done. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. Once it's chilled, pour it over a cupful of ice, and you have yourself a sweet cup of tea, sweetened with pure raw honey. Thanks for watching. Go make yourself some sweet tea with honey. May God bless you. We'll catch you on the next video.